Do you manage properties which are similar or identical? Our clone inspection data feature is a great way to save you hours on your reports. You can now clone the inspection that you've done on one property to use for a different one. Let me show you how it works. Log into the Inspection Manager CMS. On our account here, we have 2 properties in the same building. What we want to do is use the report from 7/11 Weston for 3/11 Weston. The first step is to add an inspection for 3/11 Weston. Select the inspection type that you want to do. As usual, select the inspector. You will now see a new option saying Clone Inspection From. Type the address of the other property in. We want to use the inspection data from the most recent ingoing inspection. Please note you can only select conditions and comments. As usual, log into the app now and you're ready to complete your inspection. We now have our ingoing inspection for 3/11 Weston. You'll see when I open up each area, I have the previous conditions and comments I can easily reuse for this inspection. You'll need to make sure you take new photos, and if you need to edit any comments or conditions, you can still do that. Our inspection is now synced and back on the CMS. And you can see we've applied all the previous conditions and comments from our other inspection. As usual, if you have any further questions, please feel free to reach out to our support team.